Welcome to Cooking with Contra, and today I'm going to teach you how to make
shrimp tacos.
But first, let's go over the ingredients.
First thing you're going to do is take an onion, cut it in half. Next, you're going to cut it along the way, trying to slice and dice. Oh my god, I am almost about to cut my fucking fingers off from the way I'm doing it. Then you're going to cut it in tiny little pieces. Outside of how you see it in this video. Just do it the best you can. You can get to this point, then only use this much, so you can throw the others away. I'm kidding. Anyway, then you get a bell pepper and throw that shit in there too. And lastly, get some shrimp. Lots and lots of shrimp.
Once you have your ingredients in place, the next thing you're going to do is making sure that your shrimp is thawed. Not want to cook with frozen shrimp. Anyway, moving on. So for this shrimp, we're not going to be frying. We're not going to be baking. We're going to be sauteing them. With sauteing them, you can either use olive oil or vegetable oil. The preferences is up to you. But me personally, I'm gonna go ahead and use vegetable oil.
When you pour the oil in the pan, you're gonna do more than 1/4 of oil, because that's too small if you use a dime. Put it on medium to high heat, and no, don't you want to show them how to do the shrimp? Yeah, let's do that. So you're going to peel this motherfucker out of its shell. You're going to cut down in the middle to pull out the seam. I don't know if that's a vein or poop, but anyway, then you cut the backside where the shit sits. And you clean that part. You see all of that? Yep, you're going to have to clean all of that, because if you eat that, you'll get sick. And then you get this lovely, nice, cold looking shrimp. Now, this process may seem extremely simple, but I need you to understand that this shit is fucking tedious. Extremely fucking tedious. When I tell you I've been peeling this shit for longer than 30 fucking minutes, I don't know what possessed me to get this kind, but I'm not going to do that next time. So as you can see, I'm making sure that I got all of it in hopes that I cleaned every single one of them. And that should be it. Uh-oh, I forgot one.
Man, fuck. Can I do it now? Don't forget the seasoning. Oh.
With making shrimp, since these motherfuckers died to be in your stomach and to fulfill your taste buds, the least you can do is season it to perfection. So what you're gonna do is put paprika in there, some black pepper, garlic powder, Cajun seasoning, and a little bit of Italian seasoning. Then you're gonna get a glove and you're gonna mix that in just like that. Yeah, just like that. By the time it gets to this good consistency, then you can go ahead and start.
Now?
Nope. When we come back from commercial break, this oil should be piping hot and ready.
So you don't have to. The Robo Stir drops into any pot or pan. With the touch of a button, it automatically starts to stir.
That's why you gotta do it instantly. You gotta have that charge left. Sorry, bro.
Welcome back to Cooking with Contra. As you can see, the oil is piping hot and ready, so we toss in the bell pepper as well as the onion. By the time you see it get to this consistency where it seems almost transparent and soft, you're going to push those aside and put the first half of your shrimp from the bowl into the pan. If you put all of it in there, you'll have the temperature of the pan go down, and that's not what we want. So we're just going to do one half first, let that cook for about 2-3 minutes, and then flip it over and then push it over. Now if you decide to flip it over too soon and start eating shrimp that is not cooked all the way, it's not my fault that you're in the fucking hospital. I just need you to understand that this is a cooking show. I'm not a health person. Anyway, moving on. So as you can see here, after waiting 2-3 minutes, push those things aside, and then we're going to toss in the remaining of the shrimp in the bowl. So the reason why I say 2-3 minutes, because if you cook it too long, then your shit will be rubbery as fuck and it will be nasty. And I don't want you to have terrible taste buds. Your taste buds need to be respected. With it being respected by seasoning and well-cooked, temperatured food, if you get my drift. So you flip the other halves over, and then you go ahead and mix them so it looks like this. Yes. At this point, it's pretty much done. So now we're going to start on our tortilla. I'm lazy, so I throw that shit on a pan, put that shit on extra high heat, and then watch that shit blossom like a motherfucker. And then boom, you done with a tortilla. You get what I'm saying? So all that's left is to Thanos this motherfucker. And that is how you put toppings on your tacos. Let me show you some close-ups. They don't give it justice.
Hey, I see that you made it to the end of the video. Good job. I'm really proud of you. If you like the video, you like the baking and the cooking, go ahead and push that like button so I can know. Also, if you can go ahead and push that subscribe button if you're new, and don't hesitate to share this video with any of your family, friends, co-worker, acquaintance, whatever the case may be. Outside of that, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.